Is your TikTok shop shipping becoming a total nightmare? You're on top of the world one day, and the next, your customers are flooding you with complaints and your store ratings are crashing. We've all been there. You post a viral video, sales skyrocket, but then the shipping issues begin to surface. Today, I'm going to deep dive into why TikTok shop shipping is so inconsistent, and more importantly, how you can actually solve it. The biggest mistake most sellers make is treating TikTok shop like a standard Shopify store. On Shopify, sales grow gradually, but on TikTok, it's viral, it's explosive. A single video can send your orders from 30 a day to 800 overnight. If your operation is still built for steady, predictable volume, you aren't just facing shipping delays, you're facing a total system collapse. Honestly, this is rarely just the courier's fault. Most people think delivery delay means a slow truck, but usually the delay happens before the package even leaves the origin country. I'm talking about inventory allocation gaps, warehouse processing bottlenecks, and those frustrating gaps in tracking info that drive customers crazy. So how do you solve this? You need to stop being reactive. Pro sellers are doing two things. First, they partner with logistics providers who have highly automated fulfillment lines, which allow them to dynamically adjust capacity during spikes to ensure same-day shipping and avoid delays. Second, they leverage a strategic overseas warehouse layout. By pre-positioning inventory, you keep stock closer to the customer while linking it with rapid restocking from China. This way, you truly control packing, quality inspection, and shipping, turning chaotic spikes into a sustainable, profitable business. Logistics isn't just about shipping, it's about your probability. If you want to reduce refunds and build a long-lasting brand, you need a strategy, not just a carrier. Chinadivision operates to thin overseas warehouses across Europe, the US, and the UK, with 2 core hubs in Shenzhen and Yiwu, equipped with 4 high-speed automated production lines. We are built specifically to handle explosive order growth. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth e-commerce insights. See you next time.